Hello my students, how are you? Prep 1. Today we'll explain from master book March tests. Look at with me, put question talking about this area, okay? Tell areas. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. If 6.3 times 10 power n equal 0.00063, then n equal. Write the answer here in scientific notation. Do you remember the rules in scientific notation? The number here greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10, and the power will be any integers digits. Okay, look at here 0.0, we have 3 zeros, 6 and 3. To convert from standard form to scientific notation, you must put the point from left hand side to right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 6.3 product by 10 power what? We have 4 places. Move right hand side by 4 places. Right, 4, and the sign will be negative because the point moved right hand side by 4 places. Then the power here will be negative 4. Negative, not positive. Okay. If you move the point to left hand side, the power will be positive, not negative. Then the answer will be negative 4. Choose letter C. We call this image scientific notation. X minus 5 product by x plus 2 equal x power 2 plus x plus c. What is the value of c? We can find the value of c here by the rule product first by first, like this. X minus 5 product by x plus 2, first by first, x power 2, and second by second equal negative 10, and the product of extremes equal to x. The product of means equal negative 5x. Then we have x power 2 minus 3x minus 10. This is the answer of this question. We can comparing about the solution here, and he gave me x power 2 plus px plus c. Do you remember? He gave me the answer here. What is the value of c? C here is a constant, then the value of c will be equal negative 10. Choose letter A. Okay, C, product extremes. Okay, my students, understood? Next question down. Answer the following question. Put the simplest form. Look at here. First, we have e power negative 1 product by e power 2 product by e power negative 3 over e power 4 product by e power negative 7. You can write e here negative 1 plus 2 plus negative 3 over e power negative 4 minus negative 7. We can collect powers because we have the same basis. Right here e and negative 1 plus 2 1 minus 3 negative 2, and down e power 4 minus 7 equal negative 3. We have e power negative 2 plus 3. And the value here will be e power 1 equal a. The value will be a. Okay, understood? Next question. Number 2, find solution set of the equation in integers. Look at the steps with me. We have x plus 1 product by x minus 1 is 8. First, the product of extremes and product of means. We can find the middle, and first by first, x by x power 2, and second by second will be negative 1, and the middle will be negative x plus x equals 0. Or you can write here first by first and second by second, because we have conjunct. The conjunct here first by first and second. Okay, then the answer will be x power 2 minus 1 equal 8. Or you can complete here, write x and negative x. The summation will be 0 here. So you have x power 2 minus 1 is 8. Then x power 2 equal 8 plus 1 is 9. So the value of x equal positive or negative square root of 9 will be positive or negative 3. Is belonging to integers. Then the solution set will be positive or negative 3. Okay, understood? Next question number 3. Find the quotient of x power 2 minus x minus 20 divided by x plus 4. You can draw here. Write first x power 2 minus x minus 20, and second write x plus 4. Okay, we have the dividend and divisor. I want to find the quotient now. To find the quotient, divide first by first. X power 2 divide x, x power x, x times x, x power 2, x times 4, it will be 4x. It will be negative and here negative. Cancel together. Negative x and negative 4x, negative 5x minus 20. Negative 5x divided by x, it will be negative 5. Negative 5 times x, it will be negative 5x. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. And then find the difference between two terms and two terms here, and or expressions. The result will be x minus 5. X minus 5 is the quotient, then the quotient will be x minus 5. Next example. The area of trapezium is 175 square meter, and the length of its parallel bases are 14 meter and 21 meter. Find the height. Okay, we know the rule of the area. You know the area equal half a summation of two bases product by height. He gives me the example that the area was 175 square meter and two bases. The first was 14 and second was 21, product by height, unknown height. Okay, then 175 equal half product by 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 1 3. Then height will be equal 2 product by 175 divided by 35. 2 times 175 over 35. You can find the answer by using calculator or simplest. You can simplest divide it up and down, or find by the calculator. Okay, the result will be 350 divided 35 equal 10. Then the height will be 10 centimeter. Next question. Model number 2. Choose the correct answer from the given ones. Look at here. 2 power negative 5 times a equal 1. In a we called it multiplicative inverse. 2 power negative 5 times 2 power 5 equal 1. 2 power 5 here multiplicative inverse. And the value of a equal 2 power 5. Choose letter B. The answer letter B. Plus b over c. We can divide it first by the expression. Okay, look at here is a plus b over c. The result will be a over c plus b over c. Choose letter B. Next question here. Answer the following question here. Put in the simplest form. Number 1, square root of 4 over 9 plus cubic root of negative 27 over 8 plus 4 over 9 power 0. Square root of 4 equal 2, and cubic root of negative 27 negative 3, and cubic root of 8 equal 2 plus 1. We can write 2 over 3 plus negative 3 over 2 plus 1. Okay, you can write 2 over 3 subtract by 3 over 2 plus 1. The least common multiplication between two denominator here equal, who can tell me? Well, 6. You can write 6 and here 6 and here 6. 6 over 6 equal 1. 2 times 3 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 6. 2 times 2 4. And then write 6. 4 minus 9 negative 5. Negative 5 plus 6 equal 1. Then the answer will be 1 over 6. Okay, next question. Solve inequality Z. Look with me about the steps here. First step, you can move 4 from left hand side to right hand side and change the sign. 4 minus 2x less than negative 6. And we have negative 2x less than negative 6 minus 4. Then we have negative 2x less than negative 10. And then you can divide it by negative 2. Change direction here. X will be greater than 5. We have 5 opened to infinity. Then the solution set will be 5 to infinity. Boiling to integers, okay? We want in Z, okay? In Z, not in... Okay, listen to me. I will solve this inequality boiling to integers, not rational number. If you tell you the example and rational number, you can use this method, but you won't find in integers. You can write solution greater than 5. It will be 6, 7, 8 to infinity, okay? Because you want solution in integers. Next question. Find the quotient. We have negative 12 x power 5 y power 3 negative 12 x power 5 y power 3 over 4 x power 2 y power 2. Negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. X power 5 divide x power 2 equals power 3, and y power 3 divide y power 2, it will be y power 1. Then the result will be negative 3 x power 3 y. Next question. Find the dimension of x minus 2 or this x minus 6 to the power 2. We have the first will be power 2 and the second will be power 2, and the middle first times second times 2. 2 times 6, 12 times x. The result will be negative 12x. Okay. Next question. Number 4. The length of rhombus is 10 centimeter and its height was 9.6 centimeter. If the length of one diagonal is 12 centimeter, find the length of the other diagonal. We know the area of rhombus. We have rhombus here like this. The area equal base times the height. Base times the height, and also half product by diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2. Okay, we have two rules to find the area: base times height, or diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2 divided by 2. We have 9.6 is the height and the length of the side 10 centimeter. Then we can write 10 product by 9.6 is equal to half of diagonal 1 12 product by diagonal 2. The result here will be 96 equal half times 12 equals 6 product by diagonal 2. Then diagonal 2 equal what? 96 divided by 6 equal 12 or 16. We have 16. Then diagonal 2 it will be 16 centimeter. We can divide it 96 by 6. Next question. Choose the correct answer. The additive inverse of 4 power negative 3. We know 4 power negative 3 1 over 4 power 3 1 over 64. We can change the sign. Then the answer will be letter C. The additive inverse of 4 power 3, it will be what? The additive inverse, we can write negative 4 power negative 3 or negative 4 power negative 3. It's additive inverse. Understood? Okay, I will explain it again. Listen to me. We know 4 power negative 3 equal 1 over 4 power 3 equal 1 over 64. Then the additive inverse of this answer, additive inverse, it will be negative 1 over 64. It will be negative 1 over 2 power 6, 2 power or 4 power 3. Put this number up, 4 power negative 3. Then solution, negative 4 power negative 3 or negative 4 power negative 3, because we have power here would. The power here would cancel the sign outside. The answer will be letter C. Okay, understood? We want additive inverse. Additive inverse. If x minus 2 over 2 minus x equal a, then the value of a here. Look at here, the numerator here, additive inverse of numerator, then the answer will be negative 1. Because we have x minus 2 over 2 minus x. You can write the height common factor down, write negative 1. Negative x divided negative 1 equal x, and 2 divided negative 1 equal negative 2. Then negative 2 divided negative 2, 1. 1 times negative 1, it will be negative 1. Then the answer here will be negative 1. Second question, answer the following. We have 14 over 15 all power 0. Subtracted by square root of 9 over 25 plus cubic root of 64 over 125. A number power 0 equal 1. Subtract by square root of 9 equal 3 over 5. Cubic root of 64 is 4. Cubic root 125 is 5. 5 times 5 times 5, 125. And then you can collect. Right here 1 over 5 or 5 over 5. Subtract by 3 over 5 plus 4 over 5. Write 5 in the numerator. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 over 5, write 1 and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 1 and 1 over 5. Okay, next question down. Find solution of equality here in Q. Real numbers. Q here, rational numbers. First question. 3 product by 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 3. First step, you must divide it by 3. 3 divided by 3 1, then we have 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 1. So you can write 2x greater than or equal to 1 plus 1 equal 2. Next, divided by 2, then x greater than or equal to 1. Then solution you won't find in rational numbers. You can write solution set equal x greater than or equal to 1, such that x belonging to real number, rational number. Or you can write here x such that x is belonging to q and x greater than or equal to 1, because you won't find solution set in q. Q refers to rational numbers. Last question, you won't find solution at integers. Do you remember? Integers like 1, 2, 3, a number, we can write the numerator equal 1. Next question. If x minus 1 is one of factor of the expression x power 2 minus 5x plus 4, find the other factor. We can find the other factor here, this expression, by divided. We can divide it here, x power 2 subtract by 5x plus 4 by x minus 4. X power 2 divided x equal x, and then x times x power 2, x times negative 4 is negative 4. And then find the difference between together, negative 5x plus 4x, 4 times x, 4x, okay? The difference, find the difference between together, negative 5x plus 4x equal negative x plus 4. Negative x divided x equal negative 1. Negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times negative 4 is 4. And then change to find the difference, okay? Then the other factor, the factor will be equal x minus 1. He won't find the other factor. The other factor will be x minus 1. Okay, next question. Find the diagonal of the square whose area equals the area of rhombus with diagonal 9 and 16 meter. We know the area of rhombus equal half time diagonal 1 time diagonal 2, and also area of square equal half time diagonal power 2. First step, I will find here the area of rhombus. Again, he give me two information. Area 1 equal area 2. Area of rhombus, we have rhombus here, and also square. The area of rhombus, who can tell me the area of rhombus? Equal half product by diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, equal half product by 9 and 16. Half of 16, 8. 8 times 9 equals 72. The area will be 72 square meters. It's the area of rhombus. And now we won't find diagonal of square. We know area was 72. They are equivalent. And the area of square half diagonal power 2. This line segment D here reverses to diagonal. Okay, diagonal here. To find diagonal here, you can write 2 times 72 and then find the square root. In diagonal power 2 equal 2 product by 72. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 7, 14. Diagonal will be square root of 144 equal 12. 12 meter. In the diagonal will be 12 meter. Okay? Understood? Next question. It's number 4. A and B are two square roots of the number C. Then A plus B equals 0. Okay? Understood? Listen to me. We have first and second solution. If you won't find solution like this, x power 2 equal 4, then x equal positive or negative square root of 4 equal positive or negative 2. Then the two solution of any equation power 2, we have two solution, positive and negative. If we add together 2 and negative 2, the result will be 0. Okay? So the sum of two roots will be what? Will be 0. If A and B are two square roots of the number C, then A plus B equals 0. It shows letter D. Next question. Or x power 2 over A equal 1. Then A is the same here, 8x power 2, because A number divided itself equal 1. It shows letter P. Next question. Second group. Find solution set of the equation here, x minus 1 or power 3 minus 1 equal negative 2. First step, we can move negative 1 here to change the sign. We have negative 1, negative 2 plus 1. Then x minus 1 or power 3 equal negative 1. We can find by right cubic root of negative 1 to cancel power 3, cancel it. Right, x minus 1 equal cubic root of negative 1, the result will be negative 1. Then x minus 1 equal negative 1, then the value of x here equals 0, because 0 minus 1 equal minus 1. It's belonging to integers. In the solution set will be 0. Okay? Understood? Next question down. But simplest form its expression, then find the numerical value results at x equal to. First we have x minus 3 all power 2 plus 6x equal what? X power 2, it will be x power 2, negative 3 times x, 2 times 3, 6, 6 times x, 6x. 3 power 2 is 9 plus 6x. You can simplest. We have additive inverse here of 6x. And the result will be x power 2 plus 9. Then at x equal 2, then 2 power 2 plus 9 is 4 plus 9 is 13. Then the answer here will be 13 at x equal 2. Next question. Find the result of equality in natural number. We have 3x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4. First step, you must move negative 2 from left hand side to right hand side and change the sign. You can write 3x less than or equal to 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Then you can divide it by 3. X will be equal less than or equal to 2. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Polling two natural numbers in solution set will be 0, 1 and 2 only, because they give me this information. The solution set in natural number from 0 to 2. If the length of two parallel pieces trapezium 6 and x, and the height 9 and the area 72, find the value of x. Okay, we have trapezium here. We know the area of trapezium half the sum of two bases, base 1 and base 2, product by height. Okay, the area was 72. 72 equal half product by base 1 and base 2 product by height. The height was 9. 2 times 72, we must cancel 2 here, or half. In denominator, product by 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 7 equal 14. 144 equals 6 plus x times 9. Then you must divide it by 9 to cancel the coefficient. Then 144 divided by 9. 14 divided by 9 equal 1 and the remainder 5. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. 16 equal 6 plus x, then the value of x will be 10. Then the side length here equal 10, or the value of x equal 10. Okay? Understood? Next question. Model number 5. Choose the correct answer. X power 3 equal negative 7. What is the value of x? We can find the value of x by cubic root. Right? Cubic root of the number 27. Right, x here will be cubic root of negative 27. The result will be negative 3. Okay, choose letter B. If x minus 5 times x plus 5 equal x power 2 plus bx plus c, what is the value of b? The b here, value of b equals 0 because we have conjugate. X minus 5 product by x plus 5, x power 2 plus bx plus c, then the value of v equals 0. If we product x times x equal x power 2, the solution here, and 5 times negative 5, negative 25. And the product of extremes 5x. Product of means negative 5x. We can cancel together. So the result will be x power 2 minus 25. Means the value of b here equals 0. So if we product two conjugate terms, the result expressions here will be 0 in the middle. Okay? Next example here. Find the result of the scientific notation. Okay, first step. We have addition between two scientific notation. You must write the head factor between two numbers first. Height between two numbers, 10 power 4 outside head factor between two numbers divided first by 10 power 4. Divided by 10 power 4, it will be 2.1, and the second divided by 10 power 4 equal 4.1 product by 10. Divided, cancel. 10 power 5 divided 10 power 4, it will be 10 power 1. And then write 10 power 4 product by 2 power 1 plus product first. Don't it? Okay, you must find the result of multiplication first. 4.1 times 10 will be 41. Then you can write 10 power 4 product by 41 plus 2.1. 41 plus 2.1, you must equal parts, write put at 0 here. 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3, and write 4. The result will be 43 and 1 tenths times 10 power 4. You must convert here. How? By move the point from left hand side to right hand side, to right hand side to left hand side, and change. Right, 4.3 and 1 product by 10 product by 10 power 4, because we moved here the point from right hand side to left hand side by one place. Look at here, move by one place. You must write here 10 power 1. Okay, because you move the point from this place to left hand side by one place, it's meaning 10 power 1. Understood? And then collect two powers here because we have the same bases. Right, 4.3 and 1 product by 10 power 5. It's the simplest. Okay, understood? Next question. He wants to find solution of inequality here in integers. Do you remember the steps? 5 subtract by 3x greater than or equal to 14. We can write here negative 3x greater than or equal to 14 minus 5. Move here 5 from left hand side to right hand side. Then write negative 3x is greater than or equal to 14 minus 5 is 9. And then we can divide it by negative 3. And then change direction. 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. X less than or equal to negative 3. We have negative 3 here and negative 20. No. He won't find solution where in integers, not real numbers. In integers here, who can tell me the steps here in real integers less than or equal to solution set? We have -3, -4, -5 to -infinity. Okay. Next question. If the quotient of x power 3 minus 25x by the expression x plus 5 equal x power 2 plus a x, what is the value of a? Okay, you can solve the steps here, right? X power 3 subtract by 25x divided by x plus 5. First, x power 3 divide x, it will be x power 2. X power 2 times x power 3. X power 2 times 5 is 5x power 2. And then find the difference. Cancel together and then write here -5x power 2 and -25x. Because the difference term is here back x power 2 and here x. We can't collect together because the difference term is here. And then divide it. -x power 2 divided by x. -5 outside here. X power 2 divide x equal x. And then -5x times x, it will be -5x power 2. -5x times 5, it will be -25x. 5 times 5, 25. Okay? And then change direction here about the sign. Then the result will be 0. Then the quotient here, x power 2 minus 5x. He tell me here is information. Look at here. The quotient will be x power 2 plus ax. Then x power 2 plus ax is equivalent to x power 2 minus 5x. In the value of a here, coefficient of x here, it will be -5. In the value of a equal -5. Okay. Next example here, area of trapezium is 45 square centimeter and height 5 centimeter. Find the length of middle piece. Okay, we know the area equal middle piece product by height. Okay, the area of trapezium, we have trapezium here, this middle base and this height. We know the area was 45. Equal base times middle base times height. Middle base product by height 5. Then the middle base equal 45 divided by 5 is 9. And the result will be 9 centimeter. Okay. The length here will be 9 centimeter about middle base. Last question about this model number 5. Okay. Understood? Next time I will explain from master book and okay. You must study hard. The solution about all the examples which I solve it from 30 minutes. Okay, you must study hard to get exactly numbers about the topic. Okay.